Today we're looking at some set of Mahjong tiles. These are high quality tiles. If you're looking for replacement tiles or if you're looking to just build your own game, you have to start out somewhere, and tiles are always the best way. There's so many different styles, so many different colors, so many different options out there. This is just one set that we happen to like. Let me just give you an example. Let me show you some close-up of these. The dots, the bams, the cracks, the jokers, the soaps, everything is here. I know it's weird that I know all this because my wife is learning to play, and she's trying to rope me in to learn as well, so that's fine. So you can get an idea of the quality. Let me just show you some close-ups. You can just see here the quality. They're all etched in, nice and heavy, not too big and not too small. Really a good size. They're made nice quality. You can hear that. They're actually quite heavy. They don't look heavy, but these are quite heavy. They work well. They get the back side. So these are all white with the actual images on one side. That's how that works. So you can see the jokers, you can see the bams, the cracks, also the wins. I'm still learning myself, believe it or not. Jokers, of course, and the dots. So here's a dot. These are the bams here. So you can get an idea, and they really are nice quality. I'm really very, very impressed. Again, here's another close-up so you can see the detail, and I'll give you an idea of the size. That's important. A lot of people want to know the size because there's a ton of different sizes out there. So let me just give you an example of size. I have my little meter right here, my measurement. This is 30 millimeters long. Okay, so 30 millimeters this way. The width of it is 22, almost 23 millimeters across. Okay, so 23 millimeters across, and the thickness of it is around 12 millimeters. That's the thickness of the actual tile. So those are the sizes. This is what it looks like, and honestly, they're a really nice quality. This is how this set comes. Some package a little differently. Like I said, they are quite heavy. So that's what I have. Hope you enjoyed this review. I do all types of Mahjong reviews, so check out the channel for all different type of Mahjong products that we have. We love to just review and show people quality, what they're looking at online, because you really can't tell the quality by these video, even the videos you can tell, but by the photos you really can't. So you need to have a video, someone explaining to you the size, what they feel like, and the quality of the etching. Some of these are just printed on. These are actually etched. And I want you to see one more time the detail. They're all etched, and these are all high quality tiles. So go ahead. I definitely got to recommend these and enjoy playing Mahjong. It's sweeping the country, it's sweeping the nation, and it's actually a really fun game with a lot of strategy involved. So I'm definitely going to recommend it. Hope you enjoyed this review. If you do, follow me for more. I appreciate your time as always. Today I'm looking at some items to play Mahjong with. Now, it's sweeping the nation Mahjong. It's huge, and this is just an accessory that you can get to play Mahjong. These are actually the racks with the pushers built in, and I have just a couple of tiles here just to give you an example how they fit. They just sit in here like this. So when you're playing, you move your hand around. They're really nice quality, really heavy duty. They're a plastic, made out of plastic. So, but they're heavy quality. They're not cheap at all. Very nicely made. They come in different colors, of course, and this is some of the color that are available. And when you buy them, you can do a custom set. You can buy all pink if you want to, or get a mixed colors. Totally up to you when you're searching. But they all work really, really well. They hold all the tiles. Doesn't matter what size tile you have, it's going to hold them. Again, they're all high quality. You can see the hinges on here, how they're all made. It just, the pushers work really, really well. It's good quality construction. It's got some screws and metals, as you can see here, how they're assembled. Thick plastic, not cheap at all, and they're heavy duty. These are a nice, really nice quality. So here's a set of 4. Let me just give you an example how they work. Let me just move some of these out of the way so I can just show you how the pusher works. Let me just get these out of the way. So you build your wall. See, I know all these things because I'm learning. You say you build your wall. That goes this way, of course, upside down. And when you build your wall, and you can see when you're ready to push your tiles out, the pushers work really smooth. You can just see how that is. Let me show you that again. One more time. So you build your wall, you push them out, then you can organize them and get them all ready. So that's what that's for. Instead of trying to push them out, they all going to fall over. That's why you have this pusher. Get them out of the way, then you can move your wall when you want to, or however you want to set up your Mahjong. Everybody has their own way. But this is a nice quality. Really love the different colors. Now, this is just an example of what's available online, and they're actually nice quality. So when you're looking at this video, that's what I'm teaching you. They're giving you the quality. I'm telling you these are excellent, and these are high quality, heavy duty plastic that they're not going to break. They're very, very sturdy. And I love the color combinations, and I love the color variations. You can go whatever you want for your Mahjong fun. It's all about having fun, and that's what it's about. So if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to follow the channel for more. I appreciate you watching this. Don't forget to follow and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next review. And keep on Mahjonging.